The need to do a bolt disassembly, also referred to as a stripping, may be necessary for cleaning, replacement of parts, or inspection of the SMLE Mark III Star rifle bolt. The tools required to disassemble the bolt include assorted screwdrivers and a bolt takedown tool. Throughout disassembly, ensure screwdriver blades fit in screw heads properly. An improper blade may damage the screw head. Ensuring the rifle is unloaded and safe is the first step to any disassembly or maintenance. To remove the bolt, with the bolt knob raised and the bolt head drawn back to the resisting shoulder, release the bolt head with the forefinger of the right hand from the retaining spring. Raise the bolt head to the full extent, draw it back, and remove the bolt. To strip the bolt, unscrew the bolt head. Then remove the extractor screw. Using a 1/16 inch punch or the striker, press the stud on the extractor spring out of the small hole on the side of the bolt head. Prevent the extractor spring from flying out by placing your finger over the extractor spring. Remove the extractor spring and extractor. Remove the striker screw from the rear of the bolt. Ensuring that the stud on the cocking piece is in the short cam, unscrew the striker from the cocking piece using a SMLE bolt tool. Remove the striker and main spring from the bolt. Remove the mainspring from the striker. With the rifle bolt disassembled, the parts can be inspected, replaced if necessary, and cleaned. To reassemble the bolt, replace the mainspring on the striker. Threaded end first, replace the mainspring and striker in the bolt. Then place the cocking piece in position on the bolt, ensuring the stud is in the long cam. Using the bolt tool, screw home the striker. The striker end should be flush with the rear end of the cocking piece and the keeper screw recess in its correct position. Replace the keeper screw. Assembly of the bolt head is most easily done with the use of a vise. To assemble the bolt head, replace the extractor spring. Ensure the bend in the spring extrudes through the hole in the back of the bolt head, and the stud on the spring is aligned with the recess in the bolt head. Using vise job pads or something similar to not damage the screw threads, secure the bolt head in the vise facing up. To replace the extractor, using a screwdriver blade, compress the spring until the extractor can be replaced, ensuring the claw of the extractor is toward the bolt face. Replace the screw. The bolt head can then be screwed home. To replace the bolt, see that the resisting lug and cocking piece are in a straight line and that the bolt head is screwed home. Place the bolt in the body with the extractor upward. And push forward the bolt till the head is clear of the resisting shoulder. Turn the bolt head down to the right, pressing it over the retaining spring, then close the breech. Finally, press the trigger. This completes assembly of the rifle. To function check the rifle, push the safety catch forward, raise the knob, and draw the bolt right back. The bolt should not come out of the receiver, and the bolt head should remain engaged with the retaining spring. Push the bolt forward and down. The cocking piece should extrude from the bolt. Put the safety catch back. The bolt should be locked. Press the trigger. The trigger should move to the rear, but the striker should not be released. Push the safety catch forward. Press the trigger. The striker should be released and retract into the bolt. Put the safety catch back. This completes the function check. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Then let us know what you thought or would like to see with a comment. If you would like to support the channel, you can become a member on Patreon or YouTube, or a subscriber on Player. Links to these are in the description below. For more information on this firearm and others, head on over to historyandfirearms.com.